Guys, so today I am bringing you this beautiful glittery eye look. It's like super simple and it's using a liquid glitter, so there's no mess or anything. Just really pretty lifted eyes, dewy skin, and I have a really pretty like reddish pinky lip going on with a little glossy lip stain. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. Oh, this is also all Drugstore. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids with my Profusion Pigment Base Eyeshadow Primer. Yeah. I'm gonna set my inner corner to brow bone area with the Essence Soft Touch Eyeshadow. And I'm gonna mix that with, I'm using the ColourPop Nude Mood palette today, and I'm gonna mix that with the shade Buffin right here, which is like a nice nude shade, but it's too dark for my skin tone. So I'm mixing it in with the Essence one, and it creates the perfect color to set everything with. So then once I have that down, I'm gonna take the shade Bare to Wear right here and Au Naturel right here. I'm gonna mix these two together, and I'm gonna put those in my crease. Mostly Bare to Wear and a little bit of the other color. I'm going to just apply these in my crease. This is my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, and for setting, I used the Real Techniques Shading Brush. And I'm gonna very lightly blend that in the crease, but I'm not taking it up too high, and I'm not really packing this color on. I'm trying to just get a nice light wash of color all over in the crease. So just like that, and then I'm going to set my lid. Even though I'm going to be using a liquid glitter today, I'm going to set my lid to kind of give it a little bit more coverage. I just want to make sure that it's got like enough coverage on the lid. So I'm going to go in with my favorite highlighter, my e.l.f. Powder Contour Palette. This has this gorgeous light highlight color, and it's like it's very nice and like natural. It's not super shimmery or glittery at all. It's like really amazing, and I love it. So I'm just gonna put that all over my lid with my Morphe M421 brush, my favorite lid brush ever. It's so nice and small, and it just gets in there awesome. So just like that, just to kind of give it a little bit of a nice shimmery base and set down the eye primer underneath. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Flirty Birdie, and I recently just got this color. It's very interesting. It's like it's kind of like a golden, it's kind of like a mixture of like a golden but like a silver. I can't really explain it, but it's really pretty. And I'm gonna just put this all over my lid. So that's what it looks like. I kind of expected it to be a little bit lighter and more, just a tiny bit of a lighter color, more like a nude shade, but it is really pretty, and I do like the glitter effect on there. It's so pretty. I haven't worn glitter eyeshadow in literally forever, but that does look really pretty. So then after I get the lid done, I'm going to go in with this Milani Rose Glow Stellar Lights highlighter palette, and I'm going to use the shade Pearl. And I'm going to use my AOA Studio E134 brush, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner with that. And I know a lot of this will probably get covered up, but I will go back in with it after foundation as well. So now I'm going to do my face makeup, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I just got a brand new one. Well, it's not brand new, but I got a new one, so I'm really excited about. And just because I love this primer so much, and I was digging out the sides of the one I had. And then I'm gonna go over top of that with the e.l.f. Power Grip Niacinamide Primer. For foundation today, I'm gonna use the Relove by Revolution Super Serum foundation, and I absolutely love this foundation. It's so pretty and glowy, but it has the best coverage, and it lasts forever with the priming combo I did. I'm just gonna dot this all over my face, and it feels very lightweight, so it's like the perfect summer foundation. But for me, with all the acne I have, it still covers it really well. And I'm blending this out with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. And then for concealer, I'm going to use my NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And then for bronzer, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Moomaru Butter Bronzer. I'm going to use that with my Morphe JH02 brush and just bronze up my face. And for blush, I'm going to use the Milani Berry Amore blush and my Morphe JH04 brush. It's a really nice like pinky bronzy shade, but it's got some gold like little shimmers in it to give the most gorgeous glowy finish to the cheeks. I'm going to highlight my face with that same e.l.f. highlighter in the contour palette, and use my Do Care highlighting brush. I'm going to set my face with my Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray. I'm going to highlight my put something in my waterline. I'm gonna use my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Silky Nude. And I'm gonna put this on my waterline. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler and use my e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna use my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Spicy, and it's like a really nice red shade. It does have some like pinkiness to it, which is exactly what I was looking for, because I'm gonna mix it with this little lip stain. But I'm just gonna line my lips with this and fill them in. Okay, that's really, really pretty. And then I'm gonna top it off with this Wet n Wild Mega Last Stained Glass Lip Gloss. It's like a really nice lip stain. This is in the shade Heart Shattering. It's like a reddish pinky shade, and I really like it. I'm gonna top that lip liner off with this. Okay, that looks really, really pretty. So I really like this. It doesn't really have like a taste or anything, because you know you always get lipstick in your mouth, but it doesn't really have like a terrible taste or anything. It is very nice and smooth. It almost feels like water on your lips. It's like so thin, but I really like it. Wanted to do that while my mascara dried, and now I'm going to use my Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black, and I'm going to use my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. Now, I always have a problem with getting my lashes to be nice and like actually on there, and I always have a problem with the inner corner specifically. So I cut off a piece for each eye. I cut off some of the lashes, like the edge of the lash. So it's just gonna start like here and go across. This is the completed makeup look right here. I really love the way that this turned out. I like the lashes on the outer corner because it just lifts the eyes and looks really pretty. And I don't have anything like coming off or anything like that. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.